Now there was a time when you have to wait for a mechanical hard drive to load your operating system and application. Their fast startup was of really useful, but it's 2026 now and fast startup is becoming more cause for the problem than helping to load the operating system faster. And I have seen many strange problems coming because of the fast startup enable. So if you are still running a hard drive to load your operating system, then you can keep this option enabled. But for the SSD user, you should turn this off right now immediately, and I will tell you why. So one thing that you need to keep in mind that fast startup solve a problem that most of us don't have anymore. And let me tell you some secret about the shutdown. So did you know when you click the shutdown on Windows 11, your computer doesn't actually turn off. It's using a feature called the fast startup, and instead of closing everything, Windows saves the brain of your computer, that is the kernel and the driver, to your hard drive and hibernation, and the next time when you turn it back on, it reloads that saved state only. Means it doesn't load up the fresh data and it loads what exactly has been saved. So now you might be thinking that why this feature has been outdated. Now fast startup was invented back when computer had slow spinning hard drive. It helped them to boot up faster, but it's 2026 and almost everyone uses an SSD now. And on a modern PC, a cold boot means starting from the scratch takes maybe around 15 to 20 seconds. And if you enable the fast startup option, then probably it will save like 2 to 3 seconds. But just because of saving that 2 to 3 seconds, it will be creating more problem on your device, like any kind of blue screen, or you may have several other issues while working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, in order to give you the more clarity that why you should disable the fast startup, I will give you 3 major reasons that fast startup is ruining your PC. Number 1, it keeps the bugs alive. Now we have all heard the advice, have you tried turning it off and on again? So with fast startup enable, shutting down doesn't actually reset your PC, and if a driver is acting up or a piece of software is frozen, shutting down just save that error and bring it right back when you turn on the PC. So only a restart gives you a clean state. Number 2, it messes with your hardware. Now fast startup is notorious for glitching your device. And have you ever noticed your webcam suddenly stop working? Your Wi-Fi or Ethernet won't connect. Your USB dock act like nothing is plugged into it. This usually happens because Windows 11 is trying to use the old information from the last session instead of starting up the hardware fresh. And number 3, it makes fixing things very harder. So because fast startup skip the initialization phase to save your time, it makes it really hard to get into your BIOS.
Come on, enter the BIOS. Why are you booting into Windows again?
So you keep tapping on the F2 key or F10 or the delete key, but you get to know later on that that phase has been already passed and you are not able to enter the BIOS. So if you really want a stable computer that actually clear out bugs and install the update properly, then turn off the fast startup. And in order to disable the fast startup, you need to click on Windows search, type here power, plan. From the suggestion, you will have to click on choose a power plan. Then from the left hand side, you will have to click on choose what the power button do. And here in the shutdown settings, you will find an option turn on fast startup recommended. This helps start your PC faster after shutdown. Restart isn't affected. So in order to disable it, what you will have to do, on the top where it says change settings that are currently unavailable, you will have to click on it. And these all options will be highlighted now. This time you can uncheck this turn on fast startup, uncheck it and click on save changes. Now in case if many of you may not find the turn on fast startup option here, then what do you have to do? You need to click on Windows search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes, and you need to run this simple command power cfg space / hibernate space on. Just type this command, hit the enter key, and after running it, you need to close it. And the next time when you will refresh it, you will come back again to the same option. You will find the fast startup option has been displayed here. Alright, so that's all guys for today, and hopefully now you understood that what exactly the fast startup is, and in 2026 what it does, and you really need or not. And if you really agree with me, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.